Hi guys, my name's Sasha and today I want to show you these really easy wire earrings. I've used copper wire today, but you can use any color. It's just wire, we don't need beads or anything. So the nice thing about this project is there's very minimal materials. All you need is wire and these pliers. So to start, I want to do this earring part of it, the part that goes in your ear. So I want to use these rounded pliers and just make the loop at the bottom. So it will go like that, and then just bend it back a bit so that it's straight, and it'll look like that. And then you want to get some normal pliers and just hold that stem bit and push it back, and then you're going to curve it up, over and down so it looks like that. And then you just want to cut off the end because it doesn't need to be that long, and you can feel this is a bit sharp, so I would get some sandpaper and just make this end bit blunt. Now to start on the spirally bit, we've made quite a few spirals in the past, but this one seems complicated, but it's really not. All you need to do is get these round nose pliers and just start the spiral. I like to swap over to these pliers just so that it's easier to go round and round. I would suggest getting 2 pieces of wire the same length so that you can make both earrings look the same. But I'm just going to be spiraling like this. Till it's sort of that big, a little bit more. Little bit. If you've got softer wire, it might be easier to use your hands. Yep, that's a good size. Now you want to get these round ones again and just put it in like that and start the next spiral so it'll look like that. There you go. Now you can hold it here like that. You want it to go down and be close to that one. So you just start the next spiral in the opposite direction. Okay, you want to leave a little space for your connecting loop. So you get the round pliers and just turn it back again in the opposite direction. And there you go. Nice little earrings. To connect them, just turn this that way. Put this on like, whoopsie. Put it on like that. And close the loop. Now, isn't that the easiest thing? Just do it again for the next pair. Thanks for watching, guys. Just goes to show you can make something beautiful with just wire. Please subscribe for more beautiful things.